Can I speed faster than the rain? We recovered it. We couldn't find the pack or the battery tray. We'll come back when the grass dies a little bit. Hopefully it won't be too flat. The guy up the road found our phone from the 1/8 pass, so that's cool. I'm gonna glue that back on and see if we can blow it off again. As you see here, we fucked it all up. It's nothing that some, new parts can't fix, but let's see what it did. Okay, well, it wasn't even as good as the 109, and it's only 101 above the 103, so, okay, yeah, no problem. This has pretty much dampened my spirits on this whole deal, so this is the last run you're going to see this car make.